There. Right shoulder down, touch. Right there. Good. Hold it. There. Hold that. Good. Just like that. Perfect. Bring that shoulder down a tiny bit more. There. Bring the shoulders back to me. Touch. There. Eyes here. Good. Tilt the head a little bit more to me. Ooh, there, there. Hold it. There. Right there. There. Rotate back to me. Strong. Good. Good. Love that. Perfect. Good. Ooh, right there. Let's do the same, but do your face turn more to the light. Arch, a little more, pinch that knee, there. There, that. Good. Love. When you have this arm up like this, let's bring this one in here. Ooh, yeah. Love that. Hold it, don't move. Right there. Ooh, yeah. That. Bring that right hand back out a tiny bit.